The next time you go to make a sandwich for lunch or dinner, why don't you make a coding challenge out of it? Coding is a set of directions that one uses to tell a computer what to do. Now, these directions need to be specific, otherwise the computer can get confused and it might mess things up. To do this challenge, you will need whatever materials you usually use to make a sandwich. The type of sandwich is up to you. In this case, as I am making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I will need bread, peanut butter, jelly, a plate, a knife to spread both the peanut butter and jelly. I like to include a napkin in case a mess is made, pieces of paper, and some pencils. You also may need a partner for this experiment. Once you have your partner, the two of you are going to get out the sheets of paper and pencils, and you're going to write out directions. Now, these directions, you're going to pretend that your partner is a sandwich making robot that has never made a sandwich before, and you are going to write the directions for them to make a sandwich. Make sure you are specific when you're writing down the directions. You don't want your robot to be confused. You might end up with a very weird sandwich. After the directions are written down, you guys are going to take turns being the robot. Now, what will happen is either your partner can read the directions out loud, or the robot will read each direction. Now, the key here is if you have your partner read out their directions, they can't say anything that isn't written down on their page. So, let's get started. I'm going to be the robot.
You're new.
Put 2 pieces of bread.
Okay. Let's see what the robot does. Okay. I guess.
Put on the peanut butter. Put on the jelly.
No, that's wrong. What?
It's what you wrote down.
Put on the peanut butter. Fine. Okay, that's...
Spread the peanut and jelly.
It's the butter.
End. And there you have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now, after the first sandwich is made, you can always have your partner or the two of you can always redo your instructions to see if you can make an actual sandwich at the end. Yeah. Have fun, everybody. Bye.
That's the tallest sandwich I ever seen.
All right, some bonus content for all of you. Ethan would like his turn to be the robot, so I wrote out some instructions for him, and we're going to see how well he can follow directions. Place 2 pieces of bread side by side on a plate. Open the jar of jelly. Scoop some of the jelly out with a knife. Spread the jelly on 1 piece of bread. Okay. Open the jar of peanut butter. Clean the knife off with a napkin. Use knife to scoop out some peanut butter. Spread peanut butter onto the other piece of bread. Put down the knife. Place 1 piece of bread on top of the other, making sure the peanut butter and jelly sides are touching. And there's our sandwich.
That's not edible because it has jelly on it.
Okay, Ethan.